Okay. Hi, brother. How are you?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, brother. I can hear you. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well, brother. Thank you for connecting with me. So, by the way, what's your name and where are you calling from, brother?
My name is Parvendra Kumar, and I'm calling from Uttar Pradesh. You know Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, I knew that. This is my born place, brother.
Oh, okay.
So, by the way, brother, what do you do? What's your
I
profession?
okay. Actually, I am a student. I have just 12th class pass, and I'm doing BHM Bachelor of Hotel Management. I am hotelier student. Just
Oh, I see.
yeah,
That's
you know very well. During the lockdown, so just every person at home. So just I have a time, so just I want to improve my English and connecting with other people.
okay. That's great. So, you are doing a HM like hotel management.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, how's going your classes? How's going?
Yeah, my classes is going on, but I can't take a class. Actually, I don't like online classes, but I like offline classes. But I
Okay.
have no interest to online classes.
Okay, so
So by
right
the
now
way,
you are attending online classes.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, maybe it's
So
a little difficulty to attending online because online we can say only for just sitting and watching a video, and that
yeah,
moment
yeah,
whatever we have a queries, whatever we have a question, we could not able to ask in like ma'am, sir, I have a one question because over there limited time, you know.
yeah. I know.
You have information when will they conduct online, I mean offline classes? Will you have any did you get any information?
Mm, sorry.
Okay, yeah, I'm asking like did you get any information like when will they conduct offline classes, when will they like call about all students please come attend on offline classes, when will open your college institute? Do you have any
Oh,
information? Yeah.
yeah, but actually, my college not provide any information. I think COVID-19 second third layer. I think coming. So that's why my college is not information. So,
Okay.
but I think 1 month later everything is fine, and so my college is open. But right now, college not provide any information.
So by the way, brother, like you did, you joined like HM course. So this is your diploma course, and like you join a college, HM college.
Not actually, this is my 4 year degree, and you can say that bachelor of degree. This is full degree.
Okay, full degree, like 4 years
four
college.
year,
We can
yeah,
say
and
college, HM college. Okay, that's
yeah,
great.
and this is my first year, and you can say that first semester also complete, and second semester is also going on, but second first semester paper not take, but second semester is going on, but not a problem.
I knew that. So by the way, like why did you join HM? What is the behind reason?
Oh my God, region. Actually, I like I like actually whenever you meet a new person, so I like, but I want to talk to other person and the conversation, and actually my purpose is another. Actually, I want to become a businessman. So that is the reason. BHM course provide me how to communication other person, and how to develop your confidence, and how to deal your guest, and how to satisfy the guest. So that is reason. Actually, whenever I join hotel industry, so I have to need this language. So just I want to improve my language. But that is question another. But you want to ask me why did you join
Yeah.
hotel management course? Yeah. So actually, I like you know I like new song. Oh my God, what I did you say that?
Okay. You like to interact with passenger,
Yeah,
customer,
yeah.
and you love to go, abroad country. You love to do hospitality.
Yeah. Actually, I want to go. I want to outside. I want to go outside in abroad and America and Switzerland. Oh, not British.
Sir, one thing clarify me, I'm confusing. You took a HM. So which department you want to make a career, like as a steward, F&B, waiter, bellboy, so front office and supervisor? What kind of like you want to make a career? Which department you want to go?
Actually, in fact, I want to actually, housekeeping department. I like housekeeping department. So I want to become a housekeeping department into, manager.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, housekeeping manager. But
Okay. So
in a
your
five
aim is
star hotel.
to become a housekeeping manager in a
Yes,
hotel sector. Okay, that's great.
yeah,
So, brother, did you get any internship? Did you work? Do you have any experience
yeah.
yet?
Actually, I have no experience. Actually, I have already talked to you. My college is not opening. But whenever
Okay,
my college opens, so my college information give me and how to something.
yeah, right. See, brother, one thing I'm going to tell you. Even I have also 1 year experience in a hospitality industry. Like 1 year, I worked in a five-star hotel sector. I was working
Five
a front
star.
of. Yeah, I was working a five-star hotel. Even I also did a diploma course. We can say aviation and hospitality.
Yeah, yeah,
Like 4 years I did. I passed out my degree. I was commerce student. I passed out my degree in BCom. Then after that, I took a diploma course, and I choose like aviation and hotel sector. Okay. Then I got a job. I worked 1 year and I left. That was amazing for me. I was working a front office. Okay. Then
oh, front
like
office.
hotel industry, brother. It's very difficult. Hard work. We can say I'm not going to demotivate, but I'm going to tell you what is a job over there. It's like a well,
Yeah, I know.
responsible job.
Yeah, I know. My teacher
20,
always.
you know, always you have to struggle. Always you have to work more, like 14 half, 15 half, depend on your hotel. Okay. And seriously, if you struggle 1 and 2 year, then after what? If you apply outside country, if you apply abroad any country, okay, definitely
Yeah,
your life will change. Because hotel industry, we can say booming industry. In not in India, if you talk about outside, like any Gulf country, any English country, if you work over there, definitely you will make a good career in a hotel
yeah,
department, brother. You will make a
yeah,
lots of, brother. Seriously, that's why reason hotel industry like we can call to booming industry. But you have to struggle more and more. You have to prepare more. You have to learn more
yeah. I know.
about the best service, how to do a best hospitality, what kind of job like waiter and we can say steward and bellboy, housekeeping manager, supervisor, lots of job available over there. All hotel industry, but it's
Yeah,
very
yeah,
important like you have to preparation, you have to work yourself, like about English is very important, degree also very important, and third thing, always punctual,
yeah.
always be
Punctuality. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, I know
important.
punctuality is a very important for hospitality industry. But
Yeah,
you actually, you don't do punctuality, and whenever you go to outside and you steal something, so this is not punctuality. And
yeah,
punctuality also, punctuality is a very important for housekeeping department.
yes, yes. So by the way, brother, right now how old are you?
Just I'm 19 years old.
19 years old. So did you make a
Yeah.
passport? Did you make passport? Do you have passport?
No, no. What is password? I mean,
Passport, passport.
Aadhaar card.
No, brother, like for example, do you know passport?
Actually, passport. I think whenever go to outside,
Not
the
passport, not password, brother. Passport. We can say like if you want to go other country, then we have to make a passport.
oh no, no, no. I don't have. I don't have.
Why I'm
Oh yeah,
telling? Because hotel industry is like necessary to passport.
yeah.
Like whenever
Yeah,
you
but
go to
but
interview, that moment interviewer ask about your documentation, and it's necessary to passport. So you have to submit a one copy, because passport is like original document. It's identify like you are genuine person in a hospital. I mean in a hotel industry, brother. So it's very
hospitality
important.
industry.
Just
Yeah.
make it. Definitely you will get a easily job in hotel industry anywhere, in a five-star hotel, three-star hotel, two-star hotel. But it's very important passport. Okay, just make it.
Yeah.
Okay. And second
Right
thing,
now,
brother,
I don't have any password, but whenever I join to hotel industry, so I will make the password passport.
please make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, passport we can call. Okay.
Okay.
So, brother, please tell me about your English journey. Like, how is going? How do you practice yourself? And what is the difficulty? What is the like improvement? How do you improve yourself? Please tell me.
Okay. So first of all, I'm telling you my journey. Actually, whenever I started to spoken journey, but that time I have a no confident and how to communication other person and but I have a little I have a little more knowledge with that time. But first of all, I started grammar, prepositions, modals, conjunction. First of all, but I can't speak that time. So first, whenever I completed that portion, so just I think I can speak English a little more, but I have a knowledge, so I can speak. So whenever I started to speak in English, so but that time I have a no partner. But
Okay.
once upon a time, I was uh, searching a new what is free app
Okay.
for conversation, and you will make a friend and that person want to improve your English, improve his English. So just I can search. So one YouTuber suggest everyone, this app is a free of cost and you can download, Talk Now app.
Okay.
Yeah, so Talk Now, just I have downloaded Talk Now app. Talk Now app is a free of cost, you can download and you can make a many friend. So first of all, I can download that app. So I think that app is a free of cost, I know, but I can calling other person. But
Okay.
whenever level, yeah, that person also my level, and I am also that person level. So I can talk only English, but after some time, I can speak only Hindi. That person also I. So
Okay.
yeah, but whenever I started to step by step, so I can little more coming to confident, and I can speak more than more. And but yeah, right now I'm not using this that app. Talk Now. I have a many group of WhatsApp group. Yeah, so just I'm using WhatsApp group, and
Okay.
right now I have a little more confident, and I can speak English. But yeah, I'm not sure. I cannot speak English fluently. But yeah, I
Okay.
can speak little more speak. Yeah, but I can convey my message. What I want to say that, and that person also understand what I want to say. Yeah.
See, brother, one thing I'm going to tell you, always try to speak, slowly and clearly. Always try. Don't be try to, we can say hurry. If you try to speak hurry, brother, you will do not understand. You won't understand like what you are talking about. So whenever you try to speak with someone, so always speak slowly and clearly. Why I'm telling slowly and clearly? Because that moment we understand our word, our like pronunciation, what we are talking about. And whenever we understand, we will clarify ourselves like how we are going to learn English language. So always speak slowly and clearly, brother.
Okay.
And whenever
Yeah.
you know
Actually, this is my habit, and I can speak English. But whenever I talking to Hindi, so I'm speak fastly. So that this is my habit.
see, don't try to speak fastly. Fastly it's not important, brother. Like first thing, if you learn English language, then you can speed your English. You can speed in future time. But right now we are learning. We are beginner stage, we can say. We have to speak slowly. If I tell you, for example, like after college, whenever you attend your interview, that moment if you try to speak fastly in front of interviewer, definitely interviewer try to fire you, because fast we can say it's not going to work. English is like understanding, like for example you are trying to speak with me and you are speaking with me like fastly, and I could not understand your story, your content, your speech, then definitely
Oh,
I will avoid you.
okay. So thank you for
See, I'm not going to tell like you should apply. I'm talking about we are learning an English language, so always we
yes,
try to speak, slowly. We have a more time, brother. Right now we are beginner. Obviously, if we try to, always. If I tell you, just observe person whoever learning an English language. Those people always jump. They try to speak up fastly. Even when I was beginner, I was also trying to speak fastly, like trying to hurry always.
yeah, yeah.
But lots
And
of people
comes
suggest
and
me,
comes to mind, and I can speak. Comes to mind, I can speak English fastly.
yeah,
And
fastly.
then my mind is not working, and I stop. Oh my, what is this? What
That
I can say
that
that again?
what happened. Like whenever we try to speak fastly, that moment we do not understand what we are talking about, and we make a lots of mistake. We do not correct ourselves when we are speaking fastly. So always I recommended, always I tell a person whoever learning English language, please speak slowly and clearly. When I was beginner, I was also made a lots of mistake, brother. I was trying to speak fastly immediately, like I want to learn rapidly. But that
Okay,
moment I was wrong. Lots of people suggest me, Samir, you should try to speak slowly and clearly. Whenever we speak slowly and clearly, we will understand our word, our vocabulary, our grammar structure, our sentence, our story. So it's very important to, this is very easy way to learning a English language, brother. Speak slowly and clearly. Yeah.
okay. So
So
thank you
yeah,
for
Chal.
giving me wonderful knowledge.
See, brother, we can say I'm also learning. So whatever I have, I can share with you. And already you know that about me, like who am I, what I'm doing, and even
Yeah,
you're doing great, brother. Hotel industry, like booming industry, just keep learning, keep going, do hard work. Definitely, you will get a handsome job. You will make a good career in hospitality industry, brother. All
yeah.
the
But
best your plan, and learn English honestly. Okay?
thank you.
Yeah.
So
So
nice to talk to you, and see you again.
it was amazing conversation. Thank you very much for connecting with me. Thank you very much for sharing your idea, your future plan. Definitely, I'm going to wish you all the best. Keep going, keep learning, and do hard work. Keep learning, keep practice, brother. Okay.
Thank you
So
for
bye bye.
supporting me. Bye bye.
See you in future, brother. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you for